Hello friends, today we are going to talk about Fideco model YPZ220C. This is a USB 3.2 generation 1 docking station for SATA HDDs. It supports 2.5 inches HDD, 3.5 inches HDD and SSDs. USB 3 to USB 3 cable. A USB A to USB C cable. Power adapter, looks like proprietary adapter there. Unit itself. So I have the power cord here, and there's USB-C connector for you to connect this thing with the laptop or desktop. You can either use a USB-C to USB-A, or if you have a newer laptop, you can use USB-C to USB-C. Power button. There are two different slots for putting your hard disk in here, or either using as a docking station or offline cloning. This one, this two. So let's switch this thing on. We got a red LED here. Let's switch this thing on. You can put hard disk in this, the source hard disk and the destination hard disk. The moment you insert your hard disk, the blue lights here will come on. That tells that there is a hard disk there, and whenever the data is transferred, the hard disk activity will be demonstrated by the blinking blue lights. To do the cloning, all you need to do is make sure that these cords are not connected with your laptop or PCs. These are just going to use for using this thing as a docking station, so that you can use data in the hard disk directly by plugging it in here. For cloning, just make sure these are not connected, and then put your source disk in number 1, put your destination disk in number 2, can be either 2.5 or 3.5. Hold this button, red button, hold it for 3 seconds. The moment it starts the activity, there are 4 indicators, 1, 2, 3, 4. So these will start blinking. So as soon as the offline copy cloning starts, the first one will blink, then it's on 25% increment, the second will blink, third will blink, and finally the fourth one will blink. And once all 4 are stable, that indicates that the offline cloning is complete. Once that is done, you can simply safely switch off the power button here, and take out the SSD, or you can still keep it there and plug it with the laptop and see how the contents are looking. That's all. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.